To set primary language Google Voice typing in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find general management, and then tap general management. Select keyboard list and default, and then tap Google Voice typing. Select primary language, and then select language you want to set as primary language. Example, primary language set as English, India, or other language. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.